Alright, this one at the very first weekend in the month of August, the new month. Make I dey use this one, they wish una happy new month. And today I appreciate the Almighty God. We don't grant us the privilege. Say maybe for be a witness of another beautiful weekend of another new month. Alright, me I also use this one to celebrate every single person where they celebrate one or two things today. Especially those where they do their wedding today. I wish you happy married life. Alright, this one at TinTinNi Tori wit BabaFuture, the weekend edition, and today na the 3rd day of August 2024. As una don sabi, I tell you last week, I say we go bring you another informate, plenty informate again this weekend, and we don't carry am come your domot again. We get plenty informate, plenty stories of matter we don share from Monday go reach Friday even till this very morning. Informate plenty, informate boku. If you don't dey ready myself, I pack am come for your listening pleasure. My name never change. My name na Ogunyemi Akimbusayo BabaFuture. May we do this one again. Alright, aside the plenty information where I carry come on the month for this weekend, plenty of them go dey touchlight the protest matter we shele, and we still dey shele for some states for Obodo Naija. Alright, the very first one of matter we shele during the course of the week na talk say protest, military go step in if breaches continue. And the chief of defense staff talk this one. The Nigerian military for Friday don yarn say it may intervene to take control the looting crisis and showface them sponsor for the ongoing nationwide hunger protest with them hashtag end bad governance in Nigeria. The chief of defense staff, General Christopher Musa, talk this one during one press conference for Abuja on Friday. Alright, quick one, another one we dey for here. See they talk about the protest, hunger protest. Low patronage don crash perishable food prices for Lagos. Prices of some perishable food don crash by about 50% amid the ongoing nationwide hunger protest wey dey shele. The news agency of Nigeria na im talk this one. Alright, another one wey dey for here na im dey talk say many don injure as police bin disperse protesters for Abuja. Plenty end bad governance in Nigerian protesters don injure after police bin disperse them for Abuja on Friday. The protesters don disregard the warning by policemen against holding a procession. The police come lay ambush for the protesters sharply after the National Hospital area come disperse them with tear gas and live ammunition. NANS don urge federal government to ban diesel importation. The National Association of Nigerian Students don urge the federal government to make them ban importation of diesel and direct petroleum marketers to purchase refined products from Dangote refinery for the benefits of Nigerians. Alright, another one wey dey for here na entertainment story, but this one no put joy for face o. Alright, how I want make them bury me, Onyeka Onwenu. For one reflection wey dey shared 3 years ago, veteran Nigerian singer and actress Onyeka Onwenu bin review her wishes for how she go like to be remembered and buried. The iconic artist, known for her powerful voice and activism, na im kpai for Tuesday night for the Reddington Hospital wey tanda for Lagos after im slump for the birthday party of Mrs. Stella Okoli. Do am sharply, quietly and privately. Onwenu na im write this one for one opinion piece on Top Premium Times for 2021. Come emphasize say make the burial dey void of unnecessary fanfare. Alright, another one wey dey for here na im talk say Dangote refinery go gulp 1.7 trillion naira crude monthly. May we hear the full story. The Dangote Petroleum Refinery go need about 1.7 trillion naira worth of crude oil monthly as im follow the directive of President Bola Tinubu wey mandate the Nigerian National Petroleum Company Limited to sell crude to the plant and other domestic refineries in naira. The last informate na im carry us sharply enter inside the exciting world of sport. Andy Murray don retire from tennis for Paris Olympics. Andy Murray don officially retire from tennis after im compete for the Paris 2024 Olympics. The decision don mark the end of an illustrious 19-year career wey dey filled with significant achievements and personal challenges. Alright, now with that sports story, I go dey draw curtain on top the weekend edition of TinTinNi Tori wit BabaFuture. Plenty informate still dey on top our social media platforms, on top TikTok, Instagram, YouTube and Facebook. Now go just search at BabaFuture _OnAir, and now for there you go land. Then listen to every plenty informate wey we get for una. My name never change. My name na Ogunyemi Akimbusayo BabaFuture. Until next time, una bye bye you.